Operating and Maintenance Guide for 500 bars Diesel High Pressure Washer. Secure the equipment and check pre-start conditions. Before use, ensure that the equipment is secured on a stable surface and lock the wheels for safe operation. Also, conduct pre-start checks, including verifying that the diesel tank has sufficient fuel. The oil levels in the pump head and gearbox are normal, and the engine radiator coolant is sufficient. Additionally, check the fuel-water separator for any water accumulation, drain if necessary, and ensure the engine oil is at 3/4 of the level gauge. Inspect the air filter and inlet water filter to ensure they are not blocked. Connect hoses and prepare to start the equipment. Before starting, connect the inlet water hose using quick connect fittings and open the inlet valve to ensure water flow. Then, connect the high-pressure hose and gun to the water outlet, and open the fuel-water separator valve to ensure the fuel line is clear. 3. Start the machine. When starting the machine, first set the throttle to idle. Turn the dial on the control panel to the first gear to power on. If this is the first start or the equipment hasn't been used for a long time, wait 5 to 10 seconds to ensure the fuel line is fully connected before further turning the dial to start the engine. Using the high-pressure gun. The high-pressure gun is equipped with a rotating nozzle, which effectively removes stubborn dirt. When cleaning, keep the gun about 30 centimeters away from the object for optimal cleaning performance. Equipment operation and fuel line management. For the first start, after long periods of inactivity or post-maintenance, ensure the dial is set to the power position and wait 5 to 10 seconds to confirm fuel line connectivity before starting. Regular maintenance of fuel-water separators and diesel filters. In routine maintenance, regularly check the bottom of the fuel-water separator for water accumulation. If present, drain it using the white knob and clean it every 500 hours of operation. Additionally, replace the diesel filter every 500 hours to maintain a clean fuel line. Maintenance of inlet water filter and air filter. The inlet water filter should be regularly inspected to ensure no blockage. If clogged, it can be cleaned by backwashing. The air filter should be replaced every 500 hours based on environmental conditions. In harsh environments, inspect more frequently and replace immediately if blocked. When installing the air filter, ensure the intake is facing down to prevent moisture from entering and damaging the filter. Engine and oil maintenance. The engine oil level should always remain at 3/4 on the gauge. After the first 50 hours of use, replace the oil and filter, and then replace every 250 hours. Use 15W40 diesel engine oil. Keep the radiator coolant at the proper level, and change the coolant every 1,000 hours or annually. Maintenance of high-pressure pumps and gearboxes. The oil level of the high-pressure pump should reach half of the oil sight glass. If it falls below the 1/2 mark, refill with lubricant to the 1/2 mark. 15W for O lubricant is recommended. The gearbox oil level should remain at 2/3 of the visual gauge. And if the gear oil appears black or emulsified, replace it with 220 or 80 to 90 gear oil.
Fusun. Make the world cleaner.